further ado, it is my absolute delight to introduce this morning's remarkable and inspiring keynote speaker. Laurent Duvernay-Tardif played guard in the NFL from 2014 to 2022, winning a Super Bowl with the Kansas City Chiefs in the 2019-2020 season. That achievement alone is pretty stratospheric, but it's the side notes of Duvernay-Tardif's sports career that show what a singularly unique human being he is. The Honourable Christy Clark is one of Canada's most dynamic political leaders and the country's longest-serving female premier.
Merci à M. Gélineau de nous avoir guidés à travers cette dernière conversation ici à la conférence. And thank you so much to Mayor Lee Jiang-mu for joining us as well.
You know, Justin, I'm really glad that I was able to bring out this crowd for you.
Well, they heard you're the son of a former prime minister, so that's usually a big draw.
Well, I was worried. I didn't think you were getting enough media lately, and I was worried you were feeling left out, and so I put out the call, and really, I'm pleased. Thanks, everybody, for helping.
Everyone who completes the feedback survey can have their name entered in a draw for a complimentary registration to next year's conference and AGM, and into a draw for $1 million. Yes, I am just kidding. Because we all know that a free registration to next year's conference and AGM is all the reward anyone could ever need.